Hi guys, and welcome to Vida at the Rhythm of My Heart. I went to the market and picked up all this beautiful fresh cilantro and culantro leaves at a bargain. Check it out, it's beautiful, nice and fresh cilantro, and also some culantro. I picked up the culantro for 69 cents a bunch, and I hope you can see this. It's a pretty big bunch. So that's a pretty good bargain, and I believe I paid 50 cents a bunch on my cilantro today. So I figure it would be a neat idea to show you how to preserve your fresh herbs, and also how to quickly dehydrate these herbs in the oven for later use. And of course, in the future, very near, I'm going to be showing you how to use that dehydrated culantro and cilantro to make your own homemade sazon with cilantro and culantro. Drying your herbs in the oven is very simple. I have here some fresh culantro leaves and some cilantro leaves. And what you want to do is you want to pluck the leaves of the stems of the cilantro and single layer them on a cookie sheet lined up with some parchment paper, and also the culantro leaves. And we want to place them on a preheated oven at 225, between 225 and 275. And we're going to place them in the oven anywhere between 30 minutes to 40 minutes until they're completely dry. Okay guys, our herbs are nice and dehydrated. I increased the temperature of my oven to 250 degrees, and check it out. Your cilantro crumbles nicely on your hands, and that's what you're looking for. Of course, you know what we've done is we removed all that moisture from it, and for some reason the cilantro does a very good job at maintaining that bright green color. However, over here we have the culantro, also nicely dehydrated, as you can see. But for some reason it loses its color. It's still flavorful and fragrant, which is what you're looking for. So guys, there you have it, homemade dehydrated cilantro and culantro.